In this video, we will review how to log on to Brightspace and as well as how to navigate Brightspace. To log on, you will go to the SSC website, which is www.sscok.edu, and click on the Brightspace button at the top of the page. When you get to the login page, click on the Brightspace login link, and you will use your SSC student email and SSC student email password to log in. If you've never logged in to your SSC student email before, your default password is your 8-digit birth date. Once you're logged into Brightspace, this will be your homepage. From your homepage, one of the first things that you should do is set your notifications. To do so, you click on your name in the upper right corner of your screen, and then click on Notifications. From this page, you can download the app that would be available to you on your phone, as well as set all of your notification settings. You can change your email, put in your cell phone number, get a summary of activity from your courses, as well as individually pick how you want to be notified on each of these levels for your courses. It is highly recommended that you do select email for each one of these so that you don't miss any of the changes in your courses. Once you have all the settings as you want them, you can click Save. Keep in mind that you can always come back to your notifications and change your settings. Next, we'll look at how to review your courses. You can click on what they call the waffle up here in the middle top of your screen to see a list of all of your courses and select the one you'd like to enter. Your course homepage should look something like this. We will review the main parts of the page, but do know that your instructor might use Brightspace a little bit different than other instructors. You should always seek out any videos or materials your instructor has posted that will help you navigate the page for that specific course. Here on the home page of the course, you will see that you have announcements as well as some other bookmarks over here on the right. A lot of times instructors use announcements to bring your attention to important deadlines, due dates, and other important information. Another thing I'd like to point out over here on the right, you will see tutor.com. This is a 24/7 tutoring service that is available to you for any subject at any time on any day. Please feel free to utilize that service as you need tutoring throughout your coursework. Next, we're going to look at content. And content is where your instructor will set up most of your course. Most online courses, you will see weeks, and you will see assignments within those weeks. You'll also see that there are going to be other documents that will be very important to you for your course, mainly your syllabus and class calendar. You should always seek out these two files when you're first reviewing your course so that you will know what is expected of you and what you can expect from the course. Next, we'll take a look at discussions. This is a discussion board that your instructor can use to encourage online discussions between students. A lot of your instructors will use this discussion board and require you to post weekly. Be sure that you review the discussion board if it is a part of your class and meet those deadlines. Next, we'll look at activities. Under activities is a different way to get to these different sections of Brightspace. You see discussions here. This link is the same link as the discussions over here. It'll take you to the same place. For assessments, this is where you'll find all of your course tests as well as quizzes, and you can click on the link to access the quiz or test. You also have assignments. This is where you can access information about the assignments as well as the submission folder that you will use to submit the assignment. Your instructor can also utilize the survey function, checklist, and self-assessments. Check your syllabus to see if your instructor utilizes those areas. Under More Tools, the most important part of Brightspace is going to be grades. Your instructor should post your grades on a regular basis, and you should review those grades often. If you have any questions or you feel like a grade was posted incorrectly, you must reach out to your instructor as quickly as possible. Class list is also a place where you can go to see other students in the same course. Feel free to reach out to your fellow students if you want to set up study groups or have discussions about assignments. Your instructor can set up study groups, lab groups, etc., And if they do, you can find that information here, as well as glossary and rubrics. Sometimes your instructors will use rubrics to grade your assignments. Rubrics will detail a predetermined set of assessment points that your instructor will use to evaluate your work. If your instructor does use rubrics, it is highly recommended that you go review the rubric prior to submitting your assignment so that you can make sure that your assignment meets all of the expectations of your instructor. Lastly, we'll look at attendance. Instructors are required to put in attendance for each course, and so you can review this information. A lot of your classes will also have attendance requirements, so be sure you stay aware of those. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions or any troubles with your Brightspace, don't hesitate to reach out to us at online@sscok.edu.